Hi, Yvette here. Overcoming self-doubt. Yeah, that's something that we all struggle with. Self-confidence, being confident in who you are. Like, sometimes when you need to do something, doubt come in. Why me? I cannot do it, or I need to do the next step, but I'm fearful. I know I need to do it, but in yourself you feel so small and insecure. I go through it, especially when video taking day is. It's like, oh, you need to put everything. You need to cross some lines again, and then you need to put your mindset, and then you're gonna question why don't feel confident, etc., etc. The whole shebang. But let me tell you something. It will help you if you start thinking of what you can do and what you are doing great. Like, for instance, when you are in the beauty sector, or are you doing other kind of things, is that you're not there. No, you didn't drop to be there. You just had your way growing to where you are now. I mean, this is what you got while working hard, making efforts, taking decisions. That's why you're here. And you cannot compare yourself with others. Like, in this industry, like being a coach and a trainer online, it's like a red ocean. But still I feel I can help people to help them come forward with their business, especially starters, especially people who are working in the middle, the middle class of business. I can help them to get further because I've been there. I've done it many times, and I know where you're stuck at, and I can help you. So, but still sometimes I doubt things, I don't feel confident. But let me tell you something, you have to push and you have to go on. Do it messy, it doesn't care. People who will follow you will follow you. The client that wants to be with you, be in your presence, wants to have your skill and your expertise, they will come to you. And everybody has a bad day sometimes. Don't stick there. Just do your inner work, like pray, like fast, like visualize, like manifest, like journaling, and it will come to pass. You can also try to learn some new skills. Like, if you're insecure in, maybe you're doing nails or hair, just invest in a new skill. Invest in maybe a person that can help you get to the next level. Of course, you're never done learning. Never. I'm never done learning, and I'm not young. So I'm learning something every day. And what you can do also is that you need to celebrate your small wins. If you have done certain things today, if you had maybe 10 clients or whatever, and then you had 10 clients, hallelujah, that's great. If you had more, if you sold something, if somebody came in the store, or if you talked to somebody on your business, or you had this difficult a conversation with one of your co-workers, celebrate everything. Celebrate it. And be proud of what you've done. If you don't do it, nobody else will do it. So learn how to be nice to yourself, how to love yourself, and how to treat yourself, So, and if you still feel like you're insecure, then start writing down from 1 to 10 what you are good in, and probably you can go until 20, and write that down. And like, even if you are doing videos, there are billions of people, and everybody has their own tribe, their own people that draw to them. So you don't even have to look to other people. People who don't like me are not in my space, you know? At least I don't want them in my space. But anyway, I would like to help you if you want, so you can comment down below, and I will send you some information. We have some free information. If you want that, then send your email or DM me to receive my free content. Okay, bye.